How to make easy cauliflower fried rice. First things first, let's grate the cauliflower. Once done, set it aside. Next, heat oil in a pan and saute the onion. Next, add a teaspoon of grated ginger. Next, add mixed vegetables. Cook it for some minutes. And then once done, set it aside. In the same pan, we will cook the grated cauliflower around 5 minutes. And then, next is to add back the mixed vegetables. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And we mix it well. And then lastly, season it with some pepper. And we're done. Thank you for watching.